Good morning class, myself Pooja Kushwaha and I am your science teacher. Let's start our today's video. Yesterday we have learnt about uh, weaving. Before it we have learnt about what is fibers, how many types of natural fibers and synthetic fibers, source of fibers, then how we make yarn from the fibers, and yesterday about the weaving. Okay, let's start our today's video. Here the another form of making yarn from the fiber is netting. First one is the weaving and second one is the knitting. So it is knitting. I hope you all have seen the process of knitting at your home. Have you ever noticed how sweaters are knitted? In knitting, a single yarn used to make a piece of fabric. Okay, have you ever pulled the yarn from a torn pair of socks? किसी भी स्वेटर से या किसी भी सॉक्स से, वुलन किसी भी चीज़ से, जो भी आपने निटिंग करके बनाई हो, आपकी मदर ने या किसी ने भी, अगर वो कहीं से फट जाता है, बीच से कहीं कट जाता है, अगर आप उस जगह से आप एक धागे को निकालना शुरू करें तो वो पूरा का पूरा जो फैब्रिक है आपका वो अनरेवल्ड हो जाता है, कंटिन्यूसली उसमें से निकल के वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है? वाई? बिकॉज इन द निटिंग ओनली वन yarn or you can say single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. ओके, केवल एक yarn उसमें लगता है. तो इससे बहुत सारे क्लोथिंग आइटम्स बनते हैं, लाइक सॉक्स और स्वेटर, muffler, many things we can make with the one single yarn of wool. Okay, knitting is done by the hands mainly and also by the machines. लाइक घर में जो स्वेटर बनते हैं वो मदर्स हमारी अपने हाथ से बनाती हैं, और जो हम बाहर का स्वेटर पहनते हैं वो किसके थ्रू बना होता है? मशीन का. ऑब्वियसली मशीन के थ्रू बने हुए स्वेटर्स ज़्यादा फाइन आपको दिखते हैं, बिकॉज उनके जो पोर्स होते हैं वो बहुत छोटे दिखाई देंगे आपको, क्योंकि वो मशीन से टाइटली बनाए जाते हैं. और वीविंग एंड निटिंग बोथ आर द टाइप्स ऑफ मेकिंग फैब्रिक्स. दोनों ही चीज़ें यूज़ होती हैं फैब्रिक्स को बनाने के लिए, या प्रोसेस है दोनों ही फैब्रिक्स को बनाने के लिए थ्रू द फाइबर्स. एंड दीज फैब्रिक्स आर यूज फॉर अ वैरायटी ऑफ क्लोथिंग आइटम्स. फिर हम उसे कोई भी अपना क्लोथिंग आइटम्स बना सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द मेन difference between knitting and weaving? Let's write the definition of knitting first. Single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric is called knitting. Okay. When you see, you will notice that what is the main difference between knitting and weaving. The difference between weaving and knitting is that in weaving, if we talk about weaving and if we talk about knitting, in weaving, two sets of yarns arranged together to make a fabric. To make a fabric. Whereas at in knitting, a single yarn is used to make a fabric or piece of fabric. Okay, so here the difference is two sets of yarns are used and here only a single yarn is used. So it is the main difference between weaving and knitting. And what is the similarity between weaving and knitting? If we talk about the what is the common thing in the weaving and knitting, the similarity between weaving and knitting is these two are the main processes of making fabrics from the yarns. So you can say that these two are the main processes of making fabrics from the yarns. Okay, so similarity is these two are the processes of making fabric from the yarns, and difference is that in weaving only two sets of yarns arranged together to make a fabric, and in knitting only single yarn is used to make a fabric. Student, there is nothing to write in your fair copy right now. अभी आपको अपने fair copy में कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है lesson 3 में. Explanation complete होने के बाद I will tell you what you have to write in your copy in the lesson 3. Okay, so here you go. This is your today's video. Now let's talk about your homework. So as your homework, you have to show me a piece of cloth. You have to show me a piece of cloth, picture of a piece of cloth like this. You can show me like it is a cotton cloth. Just tell me about that you are recognizing the piece of fabric, whether it is cotton, wool, silk, anything that you have at your home at the present time. Just click it as a picture and send me by naming the fabric. Okay, I want to know the fabric of the your clothes or clothing item. Okay, thank you for watching class. See you tomorrow with another lecture. Okay, thank you class.